Morning, morning. Woo, what just happened? Happy Thursday. Today Thursday, right? Yep. Was that news or data or just a reaction? Whoa. Morning, morning. What was that? Yeah, we can expect correction, but that candle was big.
I
Morning,
noticed that
guys.
issue with Project X a little while ago. So careful, guys.
Hola.
Well, a little late now, my man. Kidding.
I actually said it
Uh,
online.
oh, did you? Okay.
You
Listen,
were,
I didn't hear
in a
you. I
meeting,
was too
working or
busy.
something like that.
Yeah.
Who does that? Work, please.
Okay. Well, I think it's back. I don't know. I was down 600. Now I'm up 100. I don't know what the frig is going on.
Mm.
I don't
It's
know what's
cancel this
happening.
meeting.
Yeah, yeah. Flatten all, close all, remove all. I don't know. I'm gonna give it some time because that was not great.
What happened?
The Project X froze
Oh.
completely. I was in a position I couldn't do anything, couldn't get out, couldn't do anything. But I'm back to green. We're
But
fine. It's okay. But
that's
that
all
was
the
not
time. I don't
ideal.
know how you guys use that. Like every single day I hear
It
the
doesn't
same thing.
happen. Yeah, listen, ADR, it doesn't happen all the time. All right. Maybe more often than others. Sure. I will say though that they are very good about helping when this happens, right? They haven't been
That's good.
shy about
Mm-hmm.
fixing profits, giving free XFAs in the past, giving resets, all sorts of stuff. So although it's a little rough and they need to fix some of it, I still prefer the platform, I'll be honest. I think it's really just the lockout feature is the best.
So what was the big candle? It was news or something? Data? Or just a level reaction?
But
Which
the
can pre
Meta was
market.
news from Meta. I don't know what it
Mm.
was, but Meta went up like $20 in the span of like 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah, so I don't know what the news was, but I completely didn't see it. Too many things going on.
Apex discount? Today's discount's pretty good.
I just want to come here so I could fight Case for a little bit about that. That's all. That's why I'm here.
I think I'm expecting for them to change the rules a little bit. Otherwise, people are gonna start using other props instead of Apex. Like the only benefit from using Apex is copy trading with 20 accounts. But now everyone is using other copiers that you can copy multiple prop firms. So you don't really need Apex. You don't really need Apex for that. I use it because it's just easier to have it 20 accounts in one prop firm.
If you can make money with Apex, you can make money with any firms. Apex rules are tough.
Yeah. It doesn't affect me because I only go for base hits. So it works for me.
Yeah, you're amazing with them.
Mm. It is working.
We are now stuck at 600. Holding it is interesting though. If we hold it, that is.
Just go to the website on that link that I posted, and you don't need to find that promotion. Whenever you buy, you're gonna go and buy the
Yeah,
account.
I can't
You
do anything
put
again.
the
Well, I'm frozen again. This is brutal.
Apex ADR promo code, and you'll get the discount. You don't need to find it. Like, I just click the link that I sent you. It's here. You 60% off evals. You go log in, buy the eval, and then you put Apex ADR, and you'll get the discount.
Step. I even
Yeah,
just
that's
tried
good.
like a test on a practice account. I tested the trade and nothing happened. I look away, open something else, and then bam, I'm in the trade. So it's like
Yeah,
30
yeah,
seconds
yeah.
later.
Yeah, I can't do anything. This is brutal. I'm still stuck in a trade. I literally can't do anything with this.
Take a picture or something just in
Yeah, yeah.
case.
It's an eval, so it's not the end of the world. But like, I'll have to do this. I got screen recording software too that I'll have to do.
Okay, I kind of like this morning low hold here. If we go a little bit lower on ES, we have pre-market low around 855.
On gold, I like the New York previous day low hold is 42.26. Even if it goes to 42.20, it's still good for long. But now with all these issues, I don't know.
Nothing. I don't see anything that I love so far. We're kind of holding, but we look a little bit weak.
Yeah, the market is not fully there.
I do think we need a pullback.
Yeah, we need a break or either direction of this range. Wire coding every day is not fun.
Okay, get out of this position. This is nuts. Flat and nothing is working.
So what happened to the position? Is it red or
Oh yeah, I'm red like down 3K. Can't touch it.
no?
So again, it's an eval, everybody, right? So it's like it's fine, not the end of the world, but like brutal. Like I'm very red. It's just literally flying through all of my orders and doing nothing with them.
Apple is very weak. That is not helping the market.
I covered partials of gold, the gold long at 32. If it loses 81, I will be out of the trade.
Okay, let's see here how NQ reacts to pre-market low. So far it's rejecting there. We keep it under 620. I'm expecting more downside. Yep.
ADR, are you seeing anything you like?
Not really. Well, the 620 rejection on NQ.
I'm like, I don't know if it's me, but I'm like, what's going on? I don't see anything that I know it's a common theme lately that we having a hard time with a PA, but
Yeah,
right off the open.
yeah. So what I'm looking is like Apple is pretty weak. Definitely pulling back SPY and QQQ. And I'm looking for Apple to pull back to 280. It's a, so I'm expecting more downside, a little bit more downside on Apple. Nvidia is holding, not doing much, but it's holding. So for me, if I wanted to see more upside, I needed ES to hold 860. But now it's inside the big range that we had, I think, the past 2 days on ES, which I don't like it. I'm gonna post my chart on the chat.
Yeah, 51 is yesterday PLC. Mm.
Okay. Watching RTY. I really like this hold here. The 500, 505, 506 hold. Yeah, I might look for a trade here, but first I need to see ES and NQ holding. They're both looking pretty weak, so that is not gonna help R2Y to hold my level. But if I see the market turning around, I like R2Y for more upside. Man, that was a beautiful reaction on NQ. Pre-market low reaction. That was perfect. Yes, it's really fighting this downside. Mm, mm. This 30-minute candle is a big reaction candle also. Yike.
What a way to ruin my day.
But at least you guys can get it back, right? I guess everyone is having trouble
Uh,
with top. No?
That's the
Oh,
thing.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I'm trying to look in the Top Step TV, and no one's really addressing it.
That's
But
weird.
just a lot of people are complaining. But the hosts usually
Mm-hmm.
say, "Oh, guys, please stand by," but
Mm-hmm.
nothing. They're just completely ignoring it.
Mm.
And in Top Step Discord, they're just muting people. So we'll see.
I like this ES reaction a lot. I'm gonna try one contract here. Let's see.
What are you looking at? Reaction?
This ES reaction.
Gotcha.
I think under 860, 858. It's bearish.
Yeah, I
I
like
only bought
anything under
one.
that 857, 855. Yeah.
Mm,
Okay.
I only bought
I like that.
one. I want to see kind of bounce so I can add more and then reject here. The problem that I have is Apple is looking like it wants to bounce and it's too far from the VWAP. That's why I only bought one micro.
I like get under 8650. It's gonna be good news, I think. I think we got some downside underneath that. And then watch up back in the 25.6 on NQ.
Okay. Yeah, I like that reaction and adding more there.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. I'm only holding 5 micros. I don't trust it 100%. Okay.
That, come on.
Okay, we're looking good now. I think the problem is Apple that definitely looks like it wants to bounce. Come on, yes, just give me a new low. Okay. How can you go lower? Mm-hmm. Keep going. I added on that bounce.
See,
Mm-hmm.
gonna slip here.
So far, it's looking pretty good. Yes. Keep going. Come on, give me more. Give me a new low. Okay.
Guys, I want to share something. I spoke about it briefly last week, something I noticed in gold. The settlement price for the previous day, how if you only wait for those levels, you can get scalps from it. Like right now, um, Tuesday settlement price 4220.8
What is that?
hold in a GC.
No, I think that's
Just,
what settlement is.
Huh?
I'm sorry. Oh,
Are you asking what ADR, were you asking what settlement was?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
is the
Yeah, that's
closing
right.
price?
The closing price?
Yeah, the closing print.
So what it would be right now for ES?
Oh, for ES, let me go on ES.
Mm-hmm. Or NQ. Mhm. So I can see it
Since
on my
I'm
chart.
lazy, I just jumped. But I don't know if it works for ES in Q. This is something that I being exploring for the
Mm-hmm.
past 3 weeks. But this new contract is clear. For ES settlement price for yesterday is 68.62.
68, 62. Okay.
But if you see on the 1 hour chart, it's not as clear. But if you go down onto the 2 minutes, for example, the recent one hold, it was 42.20. That's Tuesday settlement price. It hold to the T and it went up. Right now, it's currently at Wednesday settlement price 32.50. So waiting for just the settlement price is not 100% of reclaim or rejection. It could be a scalp. 10
Mm,
minutes to 10 points, 15 points, sometimes 20. Like yesterday, the 54 that we have played all week is Friday settlement price. And if yesterday I called 12 points out of that. And I've been playing around with these levels and it's been pain.
mm. I don't like this hold on. Okay. I like it more there on ES. RTY is looking pretty good, but to the upside.
I am not engaging in the downside to the market. Tell me otherwise.
This is tricky. We're still rejecting pre-market low. I don't love how much is holding it here. I don't like how it's fighting here, even though we're still under pre-market low. Like I kind of want to see like a bigger red candle. I don't want to see these hammer candles here. RT white flying.
I think this might be trapping longs. I mean shorts down here for a
Yeah,
little bit.
it's gonna trap me.
Push up.
Yeah. We'll see. I don't know. But like I said before, I don't like how much he's holding here and RTY flying, so that is not gonna help my short. We have Nvidia right at the 180 level, which is strong support, and Apple looks like it wants to bounce here because it's too far from the VWAP. And the 5
Yeah,
minute
if this
candles are
pushes
looking
back
kind of
above,
bullish. Yeah, look at
if this push
RTY, it's flying. I should have taken that
if this
one
pushes
instead of
back
this one.
above orb low, then it's gonna push up eventually. Orb low meaning 68.59. 68.60. It's yeah, and it's heading its way up there. So
Yeah.
yeah, there you go. It's too strong of a candle for shorts.
Gonna wait for a break of 860.
We're still on a downtrend, but you're right. It is holding PDL. SPY is holding PD. I'm sorry, PML, PMH.
Mm-hmm.
Pre-market low. Sorry, PML. So, and this 60 area keeps getting hammered. I mean, we keep rejecting it, but it's still like you see it wanting to push up against
Mm-hmm.
it.
Yeah. But look at these candles. Like,
Yeah.
Love this angle here though, guy. Between it's like 50 and 80 or 90.
What?
550. 580.
50?
Bentley, stop, dude. Jeez, I'm bro.
It's 50 cent. X, did you get hit by the issue with trade the platform?
Yeah, I lost an eval. Minus 4,500.
Get
Couldn't
the
do
hell out
anything.
of here.
Yeah, no, I shit you not. I reached out. We'll see what they say. I looked after. Chart was doing nothing. I was trying to get out. Well, chart was actually moving, but my orders weren't being removed, right? So like it would go up and through orders I had on the chart, but nothing would happen. It's like, okay, no big deal. This thing's jacked up, whatever. I went and looked, and then all of a sudden, everything updated, all orders gone, said I failed the eval. So I look at trades, my trade history, right? You can go into the trades. Everything was being placed and taken. I just had no clue because nothing was showing on screen. I had no P&L at the top. I had nothing. So
Sucks.
it's again, guys, it's an eval. It's okay. They should take care of it. We hope. We'll see. I
Did
feel
they
bad.
announce anything in the
Anybody
board?
that was in an XFA, that I feel bad for, right? That's tough. That's tough. They've been good in the past, so we'll see. I'm not sweating. It's not the end of the world. They have not announced anything, but I think Futures Elite is another prop that uses TSX or PJX, I guess you could say, Project X, and they've already come out and said, "Yep, we're aware of issues. We will refund anybody if you had problems." So
Yeah, people are complaining in Top Step chat. So
yeah, I complain on that too. I was like, guys, fix this. Come on.
did you write
Yeah,
a
they time me out for posting a link of my video.
Yeah, I also created a support ticket. I don't think it's gonna be needed. This is gonna be widespread enough where people are gonna know.
just write a Yelp review, bro?
I should. Trustpilot. This company stinks. Their platform is terrible. The sad thing is, right? I still think that they are the best, if not one of the best, in terms of actual rules, what they offer, what it is. It just they need to fix this platform. It's a good platform. The bones are there. Like what they've added is there, but God, it breaks all the time.
Maybe when they kick everybody else out, it'll start working better.
You know what's funny, Case, is that this was much better before everybody else got on board.
There you go.
Much, much better before everybody else got on board. Like since Tradeify took it on, and was it Funding Ticks, whoever else took it on, there's a handful of them. It has been a nightmare. I don't know if it's a bandwidth problem. I don't know if what they're using the back end, they need to spin up more servers. I don't know what the situation is, but it's rough.
Damn, Russell. Holy crap, dude.
Yeah. I'm so mad that I was looking like before starting like pre-market. I was like, I'm watching RTY. That was
Yeah.
the only chart that I really wanted to trade, and I missed this move with futures. I'm in with options. I got stop out there, and look at this.
I have to add it to my
And we got
to my
another
thing.
rejection here.
We
I don't know.
we
Apple
talked
is
about this
dying.
yesterday about this whole week being brutal, right? But so far the PA this week has been rough. This is not looking much better, I'll be honest.
Yeah, the problem is
Right
like
now, kind of.
the Russell is flying, Apple is going lower, so we're still rejecting 860. I still like that, but I don't know. And that's
Yeah,
also the
for me, like
VWAP on SPY.
it's 600 that I'm really watching to see what happens on NQ, right? That's still that pre-market low. That's still an interesting point. The problem is that ES is over the pre-market low, so I'm like,
Oh, and look at
not that I'm
this.
doing anything else today.
I got fake
Yep,
out there.
yep.
Just perfect.
So ES never reclaimed or blow. It rejected it 2 times.
There you go.
Look at that.
Telltale.
Mm-hmm. Now it doesn't mean this is going to go down now, right? Because now ES is pushed into pre-market low, and NQ still above or below. So it doesn't mean we're done yet, right? It doesn't mean we're going down. But this is starting to look a little bit weaker.
You know, damn bell.
Yeah, you're damn straight. I love that.
Are you serious? Yes.
Okay, so it does look pretty bad now. I'm gonna be honest. It looks much worse.
Yeah, it went down just to like stop me out and then rejected.
It does seem like a lot of traders. A lot of futures traders
Look
are
at
having a
this.
really
Oh
tough
my
time.
god.
Sorry, ADR. That's tough. That's brutal. It's been my week, taken out by 2-3 points at a time on NQ. Just for
Oh my.
oh
Oh.
boy. Yeah.
Russell's rejecting now. Hard.
Oof.
No, did he?
Well,
Really?
520 is what
Really?
is the short that I wanted earlier when I was stuck in a trade. So that's cool. Nice. That's
Really?
yeah, wow.
Well, it looks like there's not going to be a Santa rally this year.
December got in and showed slightly.
Yeah.
Well, we're still on an uptrend, but
Yeah. But it's like not a strong uptrend, right?
oh,
Anymore.
it's weird. Intraday we have ugly price action, but if you zoom out and see the bigger picture, we have a very clean bullish move the past few days.
I took that retest on Russell.
Yeah. Look
For
at that.
nice. For nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. I like.
Yeah. The best. Watch 550, 560 here on NQ. See what happens. If this was a sweep to go back up, or if this is pushing back in for a little bit lower low here.
Yeah, keep an eye on VIX too. VIX is seen a lot of people on Instagram getting smoked lately on futures.
Oh, it's not easy right now for sure.
Yeah. Inversed. You see what I'm seeing on the 2 minute on ES?
Yep.
No.
Inversed.
Yep. I see it on NQ too. I want to see this
Yeah.
2 minute close. You see this 2 minute close over like 80, 580 on NQ. That's very interesting.
Yeah.
They still could reject here though, but this could be an interesting inverse now and to
I
get
think
some
now we're
upside.
gonna go higher. Like Apple just pretty much went down to 280. Look at that 5 minute candle on Apple. Nvidia still holding 180 and Russell very strong. Man, the trade was Russell. I talk about it pre-market before taking any trade. This is stupid.
Yeah, this 5 minute candle's engulfing the previous one on ES, even though it's actually low volume though, but still like quite strong.
Yeah, I'm watching
But this
SPY
should
and
go
QQQ
68.
VWAP. If we break the VWAP, is boom boom time.
The WAP.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you get over Christ. You get over 600. Um, I think you're in good shape, right? You reclaim 600 and we got some room back up. Um, we'll have to see here what that looks like, but
Go, 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 go.
get over 600. Oh boy. See what it does here.
I want a retest of like 55 on ES.
I don't want any retest because I'm in long. So
I am too, but
and it's not a good idea because I'm in long in TSX. Probably not a good move, but that's okay.
I am too, but it's that's like the middle of the inverse, and it's my 13. Damn, EMA. Damn it! I cut it too early. I need 500 to pass these damn evals now.
Really looking for this 600 to break. I mean, I just want to see us pop through it hard, and we should get a nice solid move up. But again, I'm being careful because we could just reject 600 again, like we've been doing, and come right back down.
Yeah.
Show you guys what I see on what I normally use on SPX on the 30 minute. And it's so damn accurate.
Yes, needs to hold 860.
We get a very better price conditions. Like this
This
is
is just
horrible.
not, this is not going. This is just brutal. Come on. Pretend like you care, right? Do me a solid, just blast. Just give me one good play today so I can be done. I can feel better about the fact that my eval is gone.
These are giving me like December 2024 nightmares.
Oh, God, it's not going to do it, is it?
Yeah, last year was just like that for the entire month.
This is wild. Not happening. Just can't
And
get going.
if we keep this price action, I'm not gonna trade. If I'm gonna take December off, to be honest.
Yeah, the second week of December it gave it worse.
Okay. I'm just gonna stop here. I don't know if I trust what's happening here. 600 is getting heavy. We're starting to slow down. I would have liked to have seen us pop over it already. We haven't. ES into or blow again. Now, if it breaks or blow, great. I mean, it's gonna get going, but like, I don't know here.
And I just donated a pro account to the market.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
So cool.
Mm, yeah, I'm waiting for Spine QQQ to break the
Oh,
VWAP.
if
If
this goes,
both
I'll be pretty
look like
upset
they
now.
want to.
This is gonna go now. Watch it go.
Gold is gonna range for another year before it goes to 6,500. I mean,
R2Y looks like
4,500.
it wants to keep going.
It can
Okay.
range as long as give me a solid candle.
Look at Russell, dude. Oh my God, it's just wild. It's just like YM. YM was like on this type of uptrend for a while. Crazy.
That 600 again is struggling.
Yeah. I got 2 micros on NQ. Let's see.
Say be careful with that 38.2 on ES on the 15-minute. That and PDC. What's crazy about all of this is that the target to the upside is still 7,000 SPX.
So wild.
And so all of the dips are getting bought. And even though we're having a hard time getting up there, you're seeing the market go down and get bought up. Go down, get bought up. It's 6,900 first, 6,950, and then 7,000. Those are the targets.
Yike.
$600 is a brick wall right now. Brick wall.
PDC.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Pre-market low. I mean, it's watching now just to see if this gets going over the 600. But this is. I would have liked to have seen it blast 600 already.
Mm.
Yeah. So PDC on ES, right, and then PML on NQ.
Yeah.
But this is stuck. Stuck.
The WAP.
Yeah. We broke back into the orb though on ES, which is interesting.
That 68.66 touch. Should have let go of that damn contract that I had. Another barcode. That was overnight, Sasha. Barcode. If you notice, like we have a barcode
Oh
scenario
yeah, I saw.
Okay.
overnight, and then we have
In Q,
manipulation.
I was looking at NQ and then I keep refreshing my chart because I thought it was like frozen or something.
Uh,
I'm
okay,
like,
Russell.
no, this and that.
Damn, Russell's just going. Is there any? Do you have any upside targets on Russell?
Um, I yeah, what I posted on the chat.
Oh, okay, I'll check. I'll check it out. No worries.
Okay. All right. Come on. Come get it. Come get it.
Okay, I like these.
Yeah. Keep going. Give me a little more.
I only got 2 micros, but that's fine.
I got 4, so I'm letting her ride. I'd like to see 30. I'll start trailing now, though. I was in at 95.
I only
So I
got
want to see
five
a
because
trade.
sorry, 2 because it looked like it wanted to push hot. Like I was expecting a big candle. But
I also
now,
was thinking that we may
like
have gotten to 70.
now, what I want to see here is I want the Q to keep holding the VWAP. I want to see this 5-minute candle holding strongly, and the next one give me a pullback so I can add more contracts.
This is normally my area of rejection on inside the orb, but I don't think I trust it right now.
Yeah, we're at the midline around PDC on ES. I mean, it's kind of a interesting spot. But we did sweep a lot of levels below, right? So,
I think like the past, I would say, uh, 20-30 minutes were very difficult, but how how difficult it was for SPY and also I'm sorry, ES and NQ to keep going lower, and watching Nvidia holding 180 and Apple going down to 280 and holding, like for me this upside move, it's very clean. Like the downside,
Yeah,
it was super choppy, but seeing how much we held the lows and then looking at Apple holding 280 and giving you that hammer candlestick was very telling for me that we most likely were gonna bounce hard here.
yeah. Well, it's important to look at other things, not just the futures market on its own.
Yeah, like for me, Apple and Nvidia, especially Nvidia.
Yeah, Microsoft sometimes.
Yeah, I
Yesterday,
will say the
Microsoft
top
was I don't
four
know.
or
Yeah,
five. The top four hold, yeah, SPY holdings. Or if you trade NQ, the top four NQ holds. That will be, I think, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, right?
this still would be an area of rejection for me though on ES, especially the 50% of the previous candle. See, there goes.
Yeah,
Stupid
I
job.
want to see this pullback here. Yes.
See this pullback fail for me.
Yeah, this is what I want
So
to
I'm
see.
already in short.
Like the previous candle giving me a very strong breakout, and the next one giving me a pullback.
And I'm out.
Yeah, I added one more contract there.
You know what? I'll leave with a runner. Not out yet.
Mm,
Yeah, that was
Stop me out.
nice 620
yeah,
pullback on
it,
NQ.
that pull back to 612 took me out. Unfortunately, that's okay. Still took a nice win, but I wish I was still in it.
IWM. Wow. This shit is just going.
Yeah.
I think I have a 25,
I'm up
35.
137% on the options on IWM.
Nice.
Damn, nice.
We're going shopping tonight. Let's go. All right, we'll see who's gonna win here. ADR,
Why?
either my short or your long.
Oh, you're you're in a short?
I'm short of 68, 68.
It could go lower. Like I like what I'm looking here is maybe a pullback to the VWAP on QQQ, but as long as holds the VWAP, I'm bullish for the day. So I can see it pulling back a little bit more, and I'm gonna add more to my position.
Come on. I took a mini actually. I didn't take a micro.
Both ES and NQ at the midline of the orb.
Yeah. It's a tough
It's this
area
like
to be
to
long in, to be honest.
this was where I had my PT, right at 620, 630 to scale out because this could be a problem.
I got out at 66 when it pulled back. It's probably gonna play out though. The downside. No, not saying that I don't want it to work out for you, ADR, but
No worries.
just pattern recognition sometimes. The initial move being so bearish doesn't really
Yeah.
make me want to take longs. You know what I mean? This is kind of like a retest of an area that's kind of like the middle of the move to the downside.
Mhm.
Marv, did you take it? It's Marv on the chat in the voice. ADR, if this short plays out, you're gonna have to start adopting the orb.
Is this
That way
like
you
the
can
50% of the orb?
the 50% of the previous 15-minute candle.
Mm.
That's what it is. Of the first 15-minute candle on the opening of the market.
I know
9:30.
that's what I think Kane used that, but not the orb. He used like the 50% of the move for
Yeah.
yeah, right? He
So it's
used the
what?
What?
50% of the initial move.
Yeah, so that's we use it on the first 15-minute candle. He may use it on the first 5-minute candle.
Right.
Yeah,
That all depends.
it all depends on your strategy.
Yeah.
The 15-minute candle is a lot stronger. And so you see what's happening here.
Mm-hmm.
It went up, retested that 50% of the previous 15-minute. It was a bearish candle. Therefore, it's just a continuation to the downside.
To the downside, yeah.
And,
At this point.
I'll also do the midline of the IB, the initial balance. The initial balance is the first hour of market, 9:30 to 10:30. I also make that midline too, right? Essentially, it's the orb, but a larger time frame, right? So I will do midline of orb, the 15-minute. I don't look at a 5. I think it's too short for me personally. And I'll do the midline of the initial balance, both of those. Also, the highs and lows of both of those. Those help give me some ideas of levels that I may, just for confluence, right? Not saying every time we're gonna bounce off the midline, but it helps me
Okay,
personally.
so the way that I see here, like I added more to my position because I was looking for a pullback to the, like basically a break out of the VWAP and then retest of the VWAP and we're holding. So I'm added to my position there.
Okay.
So
So
if the
in
Q
here, I can
cannot
see
hold the
that.
VWAP, that's my stop loss.
Okay.
Yeah, so NQ is now at pre-market low. It could hold that, right? And ES is at the orb low. It could hold that, right?
So everything
like,
can work.
there's confluence there. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, but not now.
Essentially, welcome to trading,
Yeah.
right? Like yeah, anything and everything can work whenever you want. And then yesterday, the PA this week has felt like 50-50s every time I enter.
Mm.
I'm like, okay, I don't feel overly confident in anything. This is my setup. I got to take it. But man, this market is not working for me.
So,
Yeah,
question for
the
you,
Q is
ADR.
not holding the VWAP now. It's on their EM out. So this is not working. Unless we're gonna bounce and then hold the VWAP. I don't know.
I mean, we have a downside target on SPY, P, and PDL, but I mean, is it going to get there right away? I don't know, and I don't think it will. It may manipulate around this area. We're going to probably range for a little while
If we hold the
before we
VWAP
make another
here,
move.
I'm gonna be so mad.
Well, we closed right below it. What candle do you use? The 5-minute
Yeah.
for confirmation? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, we're rejecting now.
Gotcha.
No, we're fighting it. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough, tough, tough. I shouldn't have gotten out of that short. Stopped me out when it went pulled back to 6.6.
Yeah, but the
Sucks.
30-minute candle now looks ugly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the one that I was talking about. Rosales. Yes.
Yeah, that's a great video actually as well.
Yeah, it is. Good explanation on how he takes that 15 initial setup.
Yep. Just wants a piece of the move. Doesn't want the entire thing.
Mm-hmm.
I want the whole damn pie.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
That giant coffee on the side.
Well, I mean, come on. The one coffee on the side ain't gonna cut it. If I'm having a whole pie, I need at least 6 coffees. Wash that pie down.
Yeah, I watched that video,
Side
but
note, what kind of
I
pie does he really
don't
make?
think he mentioned the time frame. I could be wrong.
How long
Pretty
is
sure
that
he was
video?
talking about a daily handle,
Oh, the daily? Okay.
but I'd have to rewatch.
So if
I'd
it's
have to
saying the
rewatch.
daily,
I only
this
watched the.
was a perfect example today.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, look at that move.
Zam.
All right, Top Step finally got back to me, so I'm gonna log off here. I'm gonna go show him all my proof. Pray for me. See you guys.
Praying to you now. Good luck, buddy. I'll catch you tomorrow.
Okay, later.
Gotta get back to me though. What the
Later,
heck?
Ross.
Apparently, Roz has got the inside scoop, and I'm just chopped
Mhm.
liver, I guess. Okay. It's okay. I won't cry. No one worry.
So now we're retesting that inverse X.
Yes, we are. Right there at the 65 or 565. I don't know which one you're looking at, but NQ did the same thing ES did. So,
Yeah, I'm looking at ES.
yep. I just have NQ up because I closed everything else knowing that I wasn't really trading TS anymore today. So, are you looking at what time frame? I'm looking at the 2-minute. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the 2-minute as well. I look at the 2, 3, 5, 15,
I'm
and 30.
at 2-5-15.
Yep, it's holding so far.
It is. Now,
So if
now we did
About
create
that one.
one up between 617 and
That is something I
608.
will
It's a small
maintain for
one,
now.
but something to
Yeah.
note because that inverse, the other one we had just created, right?
Yeah,
Now we never
that's
swept
probably
anything,
it.
any
IWM
points. We didn't
definitely
sweep anything
sensitive to
as it
interest
moved up, so it's
rates.
not that important, but just something to note there, right? But it's holding pretty good so far. So far, so good. Oh, my buddy just sent me something. The 560 is stacked with orders. 25, 560. I go, I'm gonna pull up book map. Hold on one second. I'll take a picture for you guys.
Damn. Leslie did well today. Nice. Like Tesla.
I think that's a Tesla swing. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
he's down today. I think so.
No, he's up 4,200.
Mm. Oh, 42 with the swing trade. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, we got a pretty sizable order there at 560. Like really sizable.
Like
Hold on, guys. I'm putting it in chat.
stream book map as well.
So you can see that's a heavy order and it's been there. I haven't looked, but it's been there for a little while, clearly, right? You can see when it was initially put there, right? Kind of goes back, it shows you how far back it's been. It's been there for a bit, and that's a thick order. So keep an eye on 60. And you can look at it two ways, right? For people that use Bookmap. I'm not a huge Bookmap guy, but I've used it in the past. You can look at it as a spot in which we want to go get that liquidity, right? That's money the market wants and wants to grab it. But there are times when you will see it used as a wall, right? And you won't see it get to it, you won't see it touch it. And then obviously you have people that are spoofing, so they'll lay it there and then they'll yank it right before we get close to it. It happens. So just making note that it is there.
Sasha, what's DPT?
Daily profit target.
Daily profit target.
Okay.
So I don't, Sasha, that's interesting, right? So I've always been a big proponent of PDL, right? My personal daily loss, or PDLL, loss limit, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
I think that really works well for me. And my profit target isn't really a hard number. I know about what I want, right? Let's say my loss limit is going to be 250 on some of my accounts, and I want 400 in profit, right? I know about 400, but that doesn't mean I won't necessarily shoot for a little more, maybe take it off a little earlier. So I don't really use that, but
Yeah, I don't like having a profit
is
target, daily profit target either.
I mean, not. I only use it on evals, especially on TPT. You know, it's
oh
$1,500. I don't want it. I don't want to pass that. So you know how gold is so aggressive that I could be in a trade and out of the blue it could just spike up or down.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make sure the
I
system take me out, so I set it to 1,400.
No, I do the same thing in evals. Okay, yeah, for sure, right? It is saved me a few times where news has come or something has happened in eval and it's spiked up way more than I wanted it to, right? So it's taken me out, which is good. Yep. So in an eval there's some validity to that. The other thing I would say though is, and it's one of the reasons I prefer firms that don't have consistency, is that because if you have a day where things get a little wild and you happen to hit some sort of run like that, you can capitalize on those profits, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's one of the reasons I like TS, one of the reasons I like the new Lucid Flex and funding ticks. They're all getting rid of consistency targets in fundeds, and I like that.
Mm. They're all mimicking each other.
But yeah,
Uh,
well, they slowly add things that people want and get rid of things people don't want, and eventually it'll just be all things we want. It'll be great, hopefully.
But if someone like you want to hit, I don't set the daily loss. Simple fact that sometimes I just keep working. Like if I see a good setup, and even if I am now losing, if I have a previous losing trade, if the setup is good, I most likely take it. And if it's in a red account, I just probably risk the account. But if I have 3 losing trades back to back, I'm done for the day.
Just sacrifice the account.
Yeah. That's why I don't copy trade anymore.
Yeah, I'm with you. I stopped copy trading pretty early on because I just found that it was easier for my mental psyche to kind of not copy trade.
And
That is
and
the biggest hurdle that you have to get over when it comes to using Apex.
Yes.
That in the back of your mind, you're gonna have that. You're gonna have that. You're gonna be like, okay, I need to make sure that I'm doing well. I need to not mess up because I'm copying trade 20 accounts, and that's very. It takes a very large toll on your mental capacity. So
yeah, and we all humans, and not every day we are 100%.
yeah,
And not copy trading guarantee that I'm always in a funded account. Money's
yeah.
always coming in.
And I
But
think that's an important way to look at it too.
you use TPT as well, or did you move over to? What are you using, Sasha, now for?
Top step and TPT.
Yeah.
Yep. So you got that constant flow, right? TPT's got that daily pair.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you go for, right? And then and it's again, I still sit back and think that even if I go on a losing streak, right, I'm rotating my accounts. Even if I have a rough week, my fundeds, I may, depending on how many I have, I may only lose money on a portion of my fundeds, even if their whole week is rough, right? Now that's not doesn't happen often, but the good thing is the fact that everything stays alive. And I think that's the important part. Setting
Yeah.
PDLLs for me, right? Saying I can't go below this much of a loss, right? And even if I get a little wild, right? And I lose, let's say my PDLL is 300, right? I lose 300 in XFA1, 300 in XFA2 because I've had two bad plays in a row, 300 XFA3 in the same day. That's rough, but like that's recoverable, right? Like that's not the end of the world. And it happened in three things. I had three bad plays. Probably not going to do that very often. I hope I don't, man. Right? Like the idea
Yeah.
is being very risk averse and spreading that risk out. Risk management is the key to survival, I feel. If that's your
Absolutely.
goal, your goal may be getting payouts fast, leveraging props for what they are. And if that's the case, then you can approach it differently, right? There is a thing to
What
be said about scaling up and going wide and a lot of accounts and then pushing things, but that can get dangerous too.
when you don't care about the payout, that's when they just flow.
Yeah,
Or like when
that's
you
true.
start thinking, oh, I have to make the certain amount of certain days to pay out, that's when you put pressure and it might take crappy setups
Yeah,
if they're
that's why
not
I
there
don't
or
have
for
I don't
straight.
have a profit target, daily profit target.
Like I know like through firms like TPT for me, I joke around, I collect coffee money on
Mm-hmm.
TPT. But even though this week being rough, it being rough, the PA, like tonight, I will take two payouts from TPT and I will pay myself from Top Step.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I belong to eBounce and I just today donated a pro account. Something that I will start doing starting next year is I will maximize TPT in a way that with my profits, I will leave the amount if I blow a pro account so I can reset it and be funded all the time
Yeah.
and not waste time
Uh-huh.
on eBounce.
Yeah.
Play
I
with
do
the
that with
in-house money
TPT. I do that with TPT.
because how they let us play with a wallet, I think
Mm-hmm.
it's
Mm-hmm.
called.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Yeah, I've been
And
doing
even
that.
if they move you to live, and even if they move you to live accounts, you still can have five. So
Mm-hmm.
it's flexible.
Yeah. So I've been rotating, but now my accounts I rotate between prop firms. So
Mm.
I trade Apex here in the morning because I know people like watching the P&L moving of 20 accounts, and obviously I like copy trading with 20 accounts. But if I have like right now I have two red trades already, I might take one more, but if I see something, but if not, I will try with another prop. So I have right now I have TPT, Apex, and my funded futures, which I always forget to trade. I don't know why. And I'm gonna get also five the new Tradeify accounts. So I'm thinking
I
of
w-
doing max 2 trades per account. So let's just say I have one green trade on Apex. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna move on to another prop. But if I have one red, my first trade is red. I can do another one. If it is red again, I'm gonna move on until into another prop, into trading another prop. So I'm gonna have like 20, 20. I have 30 accounts now. I'm gonna have 35.
Nice.
mm, yeah, that's nice. I want the Tradeify daily payout counts, but I'm gonna wait for January. This PA is not it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's rough. This is so that's the good thing, Sasha, about if you look at Lucid or funding ticks, you don't have monthly, right? If you want to capitalize on a sale like what we have right now for the next day or so, you can get those and you don't have to trade them, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the good thing about Funded Next or Funding Ticks or Lucid. These other firms don't have monthly pay, right? You pay once and you're in, you're locked in, right? That's it. The account's there. Now you do have to flip some of these weekly or once a month. So something else to keep in mind. You can flip one micro in 3 seconds, right? And just say, okay, traded it, move on. Just putting it out
That's
there,
what
right?
that's what I'm afraid of, since I'm expecting to not trade after the second week of December.
Mhm.
Like, I want to
Oh, okay,
wait,
sure.
yeah, and
Makes
and they open one micro and count to 10 and close.
To 10. Great
That's what I
strategy.
do. I
Great
count to
strategy.
10 and I close it.
Yeah,
Green or red.
Each one to their own.
I took a long on ES down there
I was
again.
thinking about that.
I took it because we have an SMT on ES, meaning that ES didn't take the 15-minute low from the previous candle,
Mhm.
and Q did, meaning that ES is stronger.
Look at
Okay.
that. Look at that little bounce. Wow, 500 holding like a rock.
Now I need $50. Let's go. I took it off though.
To the moon.
It may actually go through the inverse again. And if it does, then that's a bullish sign that it's gonna go back up. Joshua, it doesn't look like you're getting your 4,500, huh? Before the end of the year. Damn.
Boy, Josh,
You may, hey,
he's
Santa
just
can
just
come.
on him. I mean, it's possible. Then deliver the gold.
It just needs to take off the wall of 4,300, but we will see.
Yep. So I sent this little screenshot on on SPX earlier, and that same SMA held the market again.
And we have the Russell just keeps going. That was the trade of the day.
The same SMA held the market once again. This push on Russell's the volume's dying out on the way up though. On the 30-minute.
It's getting closer to my PT.
Was it 25.35?
Let me check because I'm watching IWM. um,
Oh, okay.
yeah, I watched the Russell on IWM, so it's 252 on IWM.
Okay. Gotcha. Is that a monthly level? Is that like a daily?
It's almost all-time high on
Oh,
IWM.
okay. I mean, they do move differently, so
Mm-hmm. Good. It's me. People on YouTube are liking our commentary, guys. So you're getting
They
love
They're
do?
able to
from
hear,
YouTube.
Good. Okay.
Mhm.
they're able to hear us?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What up, YouTube?
What we famous.
Hmm.
I guess famous is
I
all
make
relative.
I make money on futures, but my options they just pay me.
Nice.
That's good.
What do you trade on
GTL
options?
keep paying. GTL, the strangle that I do weekly
Oh,
based on Monday's price action.
You got a weekly strangle?
where? You
On
have a YouTube?
GTL, that's GLD, sorry. That's the ATF of gold.
Yeah. Yeah, no, no. I didn't know you did a weekly strangle. That's cool. I know a lot of people that do
Yeah.
different various butterflies and strangles and different things that they do it either weekly or monthly, and they use it as like a side thing.
Yeah, I take Monday price action, and based on the price action and the higher time frame, I do a strangle based on where I think the market's gonna go. I put $700 in and aim for a 3 to 1.
Pretty good. I may ping you later about that. That sounds very interesting.
Sure.
You know what I suggested something to Desi to do like a little bio for each of the I want to I guess I call them community leaders
Okay.
Hmm.
so that we can figure out kind of have people figure out what each of us do.
Yeah, like a little. I mean, because I know even I've done many times, right? And I'm happy to do it, right? But like people ask, background. What'd you do? How'd you get here? What's the situation? Like, I'm
Yeah.
happy to.
What's your
So,
strategy?
but like, it
What's
could
your
be
goals,
good.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, a little bio that kind of says these are the community leaders. Hey, there's a quick snippet of what each one is into, how they got here, a little just a short thing.
Yeah.
That could be cool.
Yeah.
That was another good sweep there, though.
Yep. We're reclaiming that inverse again.
Yep, we are trying to.
Trying to, yeah. But
Yeah.
it's telling you that it doesn't want to go down.
Hey, what is the terminology? When buyers, we have selling pressure present. Those sellers, sorry, we have sellers present and it's heavy pressure, but buyers are observing the pressure. There's a terminology for that. I just don't know what it is. On bookmap.
You can ask
Bookmap?
ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna ask ChatGPT.
I
There you go.
yeah. Gotcha.
I have no idea what it. I don't know the actual terminology. Sorry.
Okay.
Absorption? Says someone here on
Abs-
YouTube. I don't know.
yeah, absorb. Yeah, that actually does sound like absorption. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Figure out what it is.
Bed absorption. Chat GPT say the same thing.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, absorption.
Apple's been weak all day, but this is the pullback that I wanted. I really like this pullback on Apple.
Yeah, Jack's case is the Grinch.
You guys are funny. You guys got jokes.
Mhm.
Jokey jokesters.
Goes to show why I'm not engaging on the downside at all.
Today it's pretty difficult for me, because yes, the market is being choppy and obviously, it make it everything more difficult. But I had the perfect plan with RTY, and I missed it. And when that happens, and then I get chopped around in another trade, it just, I don't know, it makes it extremely difficult for me to just turn this day green.
Was there a
Watching,
reason why you didn't focus on RTY today?
I was just not looking at the chart at that time.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I don't know, I got distracted. I don't know with what, but yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's okay.
It happens, right? That's normal, right? That stuff
I mean,
happens.
RTY is coming up to your target, right? So like you can always see if it rejects up there, and then it's been on an uptrend for like what 30, 60, 90 minutes already.
Yeah, the problem is like
So it's
I
bound to have a
already
pullback.
have two red trades. And going
Yeah.
against the daily and weekly trend, it is
Yeah.
high risk, right? High risk, maybe high reward. I don't know, but I will see it more like high risk, lower reward. So
Yeah.
doing the third trade with something like that, most likely I'm gonna
Yeah.
be red again.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, ADR, and add on to that, um, it being tough to read and it's hard to be confident in anything right now.
Mm-hmm.
Um, don't be so hard on
Like
yourself.
I do like longs on ES, if I'll
Yeah.
be honest.
Like I'm looking more for maybe a long play on ES and NQ, but I'm waiting for Apple to stop going lower. Like if Apple is right at my support, 280, maybe 279, but I need like a good hold for Apple so I can look for possible bounce plays on NQ and ES. So I'm waiting for that.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm about to Josh is about to get the boot real quick.
Jack, yeah, definitely miss you here.
All right. All right. So longs on ES are working because yeah, I just passed those combines on Top Step.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay. Nice.
I ended up going long when we started reclaiming that 2 minute inverse X.
Yep. Yep. It was a good spot. I would have
Yeah.
been very interested had I not have already stopped trading because of the issue this morning. It was a good play. Great play.
I'm watching a 260 again on ES. Also, Apple is starting to
I
look
just
better.
and some more. Well, I just took the 45 retest on gold and the eval. And I will cover a 50 if they give it to me. Otherwise, I'm out.
Yeah,
We got
futures.
47 as the premium. Let's see if we get up over that. That'd be nice. A day. So you're in a long or you're in a short, Sasha?
I am flat. I took that with 30 markers.
Oh, got it.
In
Got it.
and out.
Nice. 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 Good.
The 30?
Yep.
Damn.
I was, since this zone, 44, 45, 46 being a zone of interest, especially last night, it was a rejection zone. It was reclaim. I just was looking just, hey, how you doing? In and out.
Hey, Dawn.
Okay, I need more coffee. I'll be back.
Oh my God.
Go to Dunks.
Speaking. Oh God, no. I think it's time though. I'm going to go do the
Hey,
same and get the meetings. I think.
Ace, we
Yeah.
say coffee, not brown water.
Wow. I'm about to get
Oh,
off
all
the.
right. Okay, so quick one. I meant to tell you, right? So we're out the other day, my wife and I and my daughter, right? And my wife and I was like, oh, let's go to Starbucks. We get Starbucks, and my daughter's like, I want a peppermint mocha. Why didn't you give me the peppermint mocha? I'm like, oh my God, here we go. And then we're driving back, and she's like, oh, Dunks has it. I was like, okay, fine, whatever. So we pull in. All right, we pull in. I order a peppermint mocha, right, for her decaf, right? And she now keep in mind, guys, she's 5, right? So let's be real about the situation. Um, I get it for her. I hand it to her. She's like, "Oh, thanks." That takes one sip. She goes, "This is gross. Why doesn't this taste like Starbucks?" I was like, "Oh no, it's bad news." My wife takes a sip. She's like, "This is nasty." I was like, "Why don't come here, guys?" I even took a picture. I gotta send it to you. I took a picture because I thought it was comical. But yeah, we never go. And the one time we go, my daughter's like, "Nah, who drinks this stuff?" Oh,
New
uh,
Englanders drink the stuff.
yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
guess. I mean,
That's fuel.
so she's growing up on like actual like good decaf espresso at home and stuff. Which is, and I say growing up, she's 5, right? So this is probably inappropriate, but
Yeah, no shit. Like,
I
dude, like,
mean,
I don't think a kid needs coffee. I mean, I don't have
not,
kids.
we're gonna. They don't have caffeinated coffee. It is only decaf. Um, what my wife drinks most of the time anyway is decaf. So they kind of took a sips sometimes and have realized that they kind of like it. Um, but still, yeah, it's probably not the time for them to have coffee at this age, but it's okay. It is what it is.
Yeah.
But it is funny. That's all.
Uh,
Mm,
just what was that, by the way? What is?
I don't
Oof.
know. 600 again.
You know what I'm noticing
600.
is that ES is moving with the Russell in a way. So when the Russell's getting hit, ES is getting hit.
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back.
What a reaction here at 860.
ADR, do you know if ES and the Russell are kind of tied?
Not right
Do
now.
they have do they have all the same stocks?
I don't know.
Because I'm noticing like a correlation. ES is getting hit and the Russell's getting hit. Well, the
Well,
Russell's getting hit and ES,
so yeah, there's a little bit.
yeah.
So that's why when I was going short on ES, I was looking at the Russell and saying, okay, the Russell's too strong. This is gonna mess up my trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Russell definitely affect ES a little bit.
I actually took shorts on Russell there a
Nice.
little while ago. So I'm writing this down.
On GC
Okay,
depends.
kid.
This
Russell have the stocks and S&P, meaning both have common stocks. All right, cool. Thank you. Hence
on
why they're both.
GC
Go ahead.
all depends
GC.
on the purpose of the trade. If I'm building a trade, I go in with 5 and keep building it. If I'm gonna scalp, I'm gonna go with 15 to 30 micros. I only load 30 micros and I EVA. Because with 15 micros, I only looking for 7 points. That's $1,000.
So looking at this price action, while I was making coffee, I was thinking of maybe changing things a little bit in the way that maybe I should go a little bit heavier instead of trading 5 or 10 micros, going with 1 or 2 minis, but getting out of my trades faster because I don't
Yeah.
see the market following through to either side.
So now ES is holding that inverse that we were talking about earlier. Things are getting a little dicey now.
Mhm.
This is like the defining moment right here. Will we go up or will we go down?
Yeah, and London just closed.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. Did. Hence the volatility.
All right, kids. It's time.
Yeah, I'm
Have a great
thinking
day.
about it
I'll be
too.
back tomorrow. ADR, have a great weekend.
I might be here
See you, man.
tomorrow too. Probably.
Oh, snap.
I think I need
Of all
one
the week?
more trading day.
Okay. All right. Well,
Yeah.
then, I'll
Yeah.
see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Later, everybody.
Bye. Who else is staying on? Nobody?
Yeah, I'm staying for a little bit. I'm
Yeah.
watching
You still
Nvidia possible breakout here. Needs to break morning high, and Apple started to hold 280. So if those two start moving, we could see a move on NQ and ES.
got you. Yeah, I like how we created like a higher low here on ES after that last downside move.
The 30 minutes are a mess, which is
Yeah.
weird seeing that. But ES keeps holding a 50 and around that level. We had a lot of rejections yesterday.
Gotcha. So we're above it now.
Mm-hmm.
If ES reclaims VWAP, then it's go time.
Oh yeah.
Not only ES, but SPY.
Mm-hmm.
QQQ just reclaimed VWAP actually.
I'm gonna call it, guys. I had no more accounts, and I don't want to trade Top Step.
Mm. You're green today?
So
Good.
Make some
yes,
money?
even though
Nice.
I donated one account to the market.
Yeah, so you'll be here
Oh,
tomorrow, Sasha?
yes, because we have PCE on tomorrow,
Mm.
and I want to be done with this TPT, sorry, TPT accounts.
Mm-hmm.
I have to build the dates. So I
Awesome.
will see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, have a good one.
Bye, Case.
Bye. See ya.
Blood money. Don't take all the money.
Not today. Thank you.
The Futures family is growing. I see a bunch of new people
For
here.
real.
Mm.
I love futures because it's less stressful than comparative options, and you don't have to worry about the Greeks and all that time and all that other crap
Mm.
that comes with op
I
options. Are
do love
very,
love options, but for swing trading or taking advantage of when the market gives you a big pullback so you can I buy lips. But for the
correct.
day today, I think futures is way better for day trading. Yeah, starting to like this Apple hold. I still think we need Nvidia to break out here. It's right at the 183 resistance. Needs to break that level.
Yeah, ES keeps holding for now, but if it loses that 50 area, then forget it. You're looking to take one more trade, ADR?
Yeah, one more.
Nice. Hopefully it gets you green.
Yeah. Yeah, I just need one more. Uh, but the market is so far pretty choppy here.
Yeah,
Yeah, but yeah,
this,
Nvidia and Apple started to move. That's what I want to see here. I think that's what can make the market really move today.
things that these pops just keep getting sold. Kind of want to reclaim a VWAP, and then it'll definitely secure the upside. I'm already in longs.
You are?
Yeah, off of like 56, 54, like
Mm-hmm.
that area down there. Because I kept seeing it. I'm looking at the 2 minute, and it just kept holding that area.
Mm-hmm.
But it's kind of tricky. Because if it doesn't go above the orb, above 60, then forget it. It's not gonna do
Mm-hmm.
anything.
Yeah, I want
Might
to see
actually stop me
NQ
out.
holding 600.
Yeah. I'm actually looking at SPX too, and this is an area that we were rejecting yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
and we got under it today after we making an upside move, and now we're pushing up against it. So it's kind of like just stop me out right there.
Yeah, yeah, that was an ugly reaction. Yeah, QQQ keeps reacting the VWAP. Same thing with SPY. Yeah, and though I don't think the VWAP matters much
Yeah,
today, the Russell is pulling back.
yeah. Could also be why we're having a hard time going up. Yep.
Yep.
Very choppy, very sideways.
Extremely choppy, yeah. Even the
I don't like
30-minute
this
time
two
frame is
minute.
choppy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Maybe around noon we'll see another directional move. That's usually the time for a reversal of sorts. See, now we keep holding this area too, so it's kind of hard to figure out what it's gonna do.
Yeah. Okay, let's see Nvidia's moving. The Russell's pulling back. Apple still,
Nvidia is the only one moving though.
yeah, Apple is trying to hold 280, which is good.
Yeah, but I mean nothing else is moving. Like Nvidia is the only one. SMA just sideways. Amazon's down. Apple's down. Microsoft sideways. Tesla sideways. Meta, freaking Meta. Oh my God, Meta gave back that entire.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Let's see, I haven't checked Meta today.
I'm sorry, Google. I'm
Oh,
sorry, that was
Google?
Google.
Okay.
I'm looking at Google. Sorry. Yeah, Meta gave back half of the move,
Hmm.
actually.
I'm looking for Google to pull back to 308, 304. I'm ready for that. For that pullback on Google.
Yeah,
Oh
I see
yeah.
that. Oh yeah, I see that. Hands off until we figure out where it wants to go.
Yeah, Nvidia's reacting. Needs to break that level 183. Yike.
Nice little. Wow, look at that. Nice little. Viral.
But can we have continuation to the downside? Like I honestly wanted to see Enki and ES retesting yesterday's low. Like
Yeah.
820 on ES, that will be beautiful, and for around 440 on NQ. 440, 430. Like after I saw that first 5 minute candle, that big red candle, and then it was rejecting, I was like, okay, so the next move is gonna be to yesterday's low. But it could never go there.
Yeah, tough to do anything in this choppy
Like I don't have
action right now.
any real levels here on NQ.
Oh,
Like a little bit at 560, but I don't see it like a big deal.
like, look at this. Now we're getting bought up again.
That's good, Abdul. King Abdul.
King Abdul, nice.
Yeah, what time? Okay. It's almost 12. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, but if the market just keep doing nothing, I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades. Maybe a pullback on IWM to the VWAP. Maybe we could look for a bounce there, but yes, and Enki is just chopping around, doing nothing.
Yeah, that's tough. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to go short? Wait a minute. Nope. Never mind. Don't go short. Nope. You want to go long? Wait. Nope. You can't. Nope. Yeah, this is tough. I'm gonna just sit and wait.
Maybe a trade in the afternoon. I really would love to
Yeah.
see ES and NQ pulling back to previous day low. But I don't know if that's gonna happen.
We're literally chopping around like we were pre-market, and this is so that means that there's gonna be a move, but it's probably gonna be in the afternoon. But I do kind of like this strength on an upside move. Yeah. What woke up? Something woke up. Nvidia. Apple's just stuck.
Yeah.
Apple's not doing anything. Microsoft kind of woke up a little bit, but this is mainly Nvidia. You know that?
Yeah, I'm waiting
And
for
maybe
that.
and actually Russell. It's RTY that started bouncing. That's what did it. Okay, now we're gonna push through VWAP eventually. This is gonna trap shorts. Shorts gonna have to liquidate, and it's gonna push the market up even further.
Yeah, I want to see ES really holding 860. That's also the VWAP on SPY. Both SPY and QQQ kind of keep reacting the VWAP.
Not with this move up. This has a lot of strength. We're probably gonna go visit 8666868.
Yes.
You know, 866. So I didn't trust that move down. We just kept getting bought up around that 52 area that you pointed out. Did you take it?
No.
Ah, actually did. Beautiful move on the S.
Yep. Yeah, Nvidia finally waking up. IWM also holding pretty good. Apple holding 280. What a move. Yeah, the problem that I have now is like we're getting this huge
You
candle,
missed.
so how can I trade this?
Yeah. At this point, you missed the move,
Mm-hmm.
unfortunately.
Maybe if we can get a pullback now to 860 and hold it, but I
Yeah.
got a burnout here around 1040, 1045 with a move like that.
Yeah. I took that from the bottom again.
Nice. Yeah, if I can
Failure
get
to
a
move
little
down
pullback
past
here, I'm gonna
52.
enter. I'm gonna try it out.
Nice.
And that's gonna be my last trade of the day. It doesn't look like it's gonna give me a pullback now.
That's strong. Jeez.
Yeah, but Nvidia above 183.83, which is what I wanted to see. I'm on a swing trade on Nvidia. So at least I'm making a lot of money with options with IWM and Nvidia.
Look at this move. Jeez. This is aggressive. I'm starting to notice something that whenever X leaves the chat,
The
the
market
market
start
just
moving. Okay, let's see if I can get my pullback now.
I would be careful at like 70 on ES,
Yeah.
70, 73.
We also have resistance here at 640 on NQ. We've been rejecting there
Yeah.
all morning.
A lot of buying on this 15-minute candle though. Low volume, but a lot of buying.
So
So
maybe we can have something.
yeah.
Oh, we could have something like this, maybe on NQ. Break and retest at 640. Okay. Come on, give me a pullback that I want. Or just break 640 NQ. Either or will be fine for me. NQ is looking like an inverse head and shoulder also. Or no, this is a W.
Yeah, actually
W.
W. Yeah. Both ES and NQ have the same pattern.
Mm.
What a push.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, watching here 640 on NQ for a possible breakout play. Okay, I like this.
Damn. Russell's just going now.
Oh yeah, it's
Wow.
about to hit my PT. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if this trade can turn around my day.
Hope so.
Me too. Looking for a move to morning high. I like how Nvidia is moving and how Apple is holding.
Might get that pullback to 60 on ES.
Come on, hold here. Yike.
This is Russell rejecting.
I want to see NQ holding 622.
I think you're still good.
I added more there. We'll see. Yeah, I don't like this, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't like that. But I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to close because I don't want to get fake out. And we have NQ at 860.
You got your pullback to 60 on ES.
Yeah.
Now, does it have enough strength to go back up? That's the question.
Yeah.
You know, but technically speaking, this is a good pattern for to to retest of the 15-minute orb low. So, and it is an area that we were rejecting all morning. So the probabilities of it playing out to the upside are a little bit more better, but I don't know. We'll see. Still a little iffy.
Come on, bounce here. Hmm.
Mm.
It is not looking
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wait.
I lost a couple accounts there. One, 7 accounts.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries. And I still like this pullback on ES. But the Q, I'm on NQ and it's weaker than ES.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like this reaction, but I'm still waiting to see how. I don't want to get fake out again. Mm. Okay, we're trying here.
Mm. Trying, but
Yeah, bye.
yeah, it's
Yeah, I'm out. Today is not my day. It's a bigger red day than
yeah.
I was expecting. But yeah, I'm done. I'm not gonna trade this. I'm getting fake out left and right. And look, it's gonna bounce.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's not my day. I'm not gonna keep trying this. I already have 3 for 3. I'm done. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. I don't like this PA. Um, so I guess I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye, Case. Talk
Okay.
to you on Monday. Have a good one. Happy
Sounds good.
weekend. Enjoy your
También.
weekend. Bye.
Ciao.